realise that recycling isn't the answer. We need to try and reduce our consumption. But when the last option is recycling, then we're looking at ways of how we can utilise the material. Extending the life cycle and the usable things. It's not just low value material what's not really got a use. It needs to be something whereby it's got a purpose and it's got something what's got longevity to it, and then it's recyclable at the end as well. We need to think about resources and things differently. Currently, plastic waste, food waste, a lot of it gets incinerated or isn't being utilised. So what we need to try thinking about doing is how we can improve this and turn things into a resource and upcycle things. So that's what we've come up with. We've got shredders, granulators. These process all different types of materials. So they're graded down into a certain size, and then from there we have machines what can remove metal, remove any food fraction, and they go to various other outlets to be used and utilised. From then we get maybe 20% material which can then be processed into a board. This is the very low grade RDF material what would go to be incinerated, and that's what we're trying to reduce. Currently, a lot of material, your difficult to recycle plastics, your mixed polymers, especially a lot of your contaminated packaging is currently getting incinerated or being claimed to be recycled when it's actually going to RDF, which is refuse derived fuel. It's not something we should be looking at. We should be trying to utilise it and reprocess it, upcycle it before the RDF. That should be a very last resort. So we try to look at different ways to improve that and increase the life cycle of unrecyclable materials. So this material will go across to our board mill where it's made into 8x4 board, which can be used in construction, shop fitting. We've made benches. It's a very versatile material with lots of uses. And ultimately it's making a use for the mixed plastic, and it's reducing our need for wood, which obviously we shouldn't be using where we can. So if we can replace that and change people's mindset and understanding of what materials can be used for, then that's a very positive thing.
Our recycling system in the UK does not deal with the difficult to recycle plastics, such as multi-layer films, bottle tops and packaging waste. So we've created a hub in Hull with My Group and Stormboard that will take that waste and add value to it and upcycle it into products. We call it remanufacturing, and these products can be reused by the producer of that waste in the organisation, and that is the circular economy. The future is about upcycling, remanufacturing waste into products. We can do this in Hull now, and we need to expand, and we need to get more people joining in. Stop the export, stop the burning, stop the landfill. It's not necessary.